how to know when to use savoir and when to use connaître, because they both mean to know. Then why do we even have two different verbs for that? Let me explain it to you. And yes, in a special case, we can use both of them. That I will be telling at the end. So stay tuned. Bonjour, je m'appelle Shamika. Je suis enseignante de français et bienvenue à Francophile. First, let's learn the conjugation of these two verbs. Let's start with savoir. Savoir. Je sais. I know. Tu sais. You know. Il sait. He knows. Elle sait. She knows. Nous savons. We know. Vous savez. You know. Ils savent. They know for masculine. Elles savent. They know for feminine. Let's repeat it. Je sais. Tu sais. Il sait. Elle sait. Nous savons. Vous savez. Ils savent. Elles savent. Now let's see the conjugation of connaître. Je connais. I know. Tu connais. You know. Il connaît. He knows. Elle connaît. She knows. Nous connaissons. We know. Vous connaissez. You know. Ils connaissent. They know for masculine. Elles connaissent. They know for feminine. Let's repeat the conjugation. Je connais. Tu connais. Il connaît. Elle connaît. Nous connaissons. Vous connaissez. Ils connaissent. Elles connaissent. Now, let's see why do we have two different verbs for the same meaning. So, savoir means to know how to do something. For example, suppose I wanna say, I know how to sing. The verb for to sing is chanter. So, I will be saying, je sais chanter. I know how to sing. In this case, savoir is followed by an infinitive. That means an original form of the verb. And to negate it, we will use ne and pas. Ne before the conjugated verb and pas after it. So it will be je ne sais pas chanter. I don't know how to sing. Let's take another example. Il sait parler japonais. Il sait parler japonais. He knows how to speak Japanese. And the negation would be il ne sait pas parler japonais. Il ne sait pas parler japonais. He doesn't know how to speak Japanese. Well, savoir also means to know facts. For example, je sais où tu habites. Je sais où tu habites means I know where do you stay or where do you live. And now you know how to negate it. Je ne sais pas où tu habites. I don't know where do you stay. Ils savent les réponses. Ils savent les réponses. They know the answers. Ils ne savent pas les réponses. They don't know the answers. Now let's look at the verb connaître. It means to know something, somewhere or someone. For example, elle connaît Marc. Elle connaît Marc. She knows Marc. Nous connaissons Paris. Nous connaissons Paris. We know Paris. Je connais ce restaurant. Je connais ce restaurant. I know this restaurant. And when you know something by heart, you can use both of them. Using any of them would work. For example, je connais or je sais cette chanson par cœur. Par cœur means by heart. So I know this song by heart. Il sait or il connaît ton numéro de portable par cœur. He knows your mobile number by heart. Now you know when to use savoir and when to use connaître. Practice it using them into your day-to-day life so that you can get the hang of it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe Francophile for more French language content. And if you have any doubt or you want a video on any particular topic, you can comment down below. I shall meet you in the next video. Keep practicing. A bientôt!